Yellow. Today we are going to be fixing this old typewriter that I don't know who made it because I'm too lazy to look it up. I got this from my sister's neighbor. I got it for free. A few of the keys have popped off and I've had to reconnect them, which was the 1/4 key and the Q and A. But then the not Q, the 1/4 button soon then popped off again. Then I had to reconnect it, which you can see that's how I got it back together. And then I used WD-40 to like undry most of the oil, which then I used air to get rid of the chunks of oil, so most of it wouldn't stick. So most of the keys do sit and still work now.